I was sent these foldable sunglasses. They come in this cute little case and they are so handy. Look at them all folded up here. So all you have to do when you get them out is unfold them, and then the arms unfold and you can wear them, and they are super cute on. You can get these in 2 different styles. Both frames are clear, but they come in this brown polarized color and then a blue polarized color as well. I love these. These are a pair of glasses that I would choose even if they didn't fold up like they do. But the fact that they do that is so handy. They have UV 400 protection. They're also glare blocking. So then when you're done with them, you just take them off and you fold in those arms again, fold them up, and they're ready to go back in their case. Now I normally carry a crossbody bag like this everywhere I go. I have young kiddos, so it's nice to be hands-free and I can help them without worrying about my bag falling off. So these just go right in this case, zip it up, and it fits right in my crossbody bag. My normal sunglasses don't fit in here with all my stuff, so these are gonna be so nice to have. These are super cute and I'm so excited to take them everywhere I go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.